Welcome to our video on how to clean fuel injectors on an Alto. Fuel injectors are an essential component of your vehicle's fuel system, and keeping them clean is important for maintaining good fuel efficiency and performance. In this video, we will show you how to safely and effectively clean your fuel injectors. The first step is to remove the fuel injectors from the engine. Consult your vehicle's repair manual for specific instructions on how to do this, as the process may vary depending on your model and year. Once the injectors are removed, you'll want to check their condition and make sure there are no visible signs of damage or wear. Next, you'll need to attach the fuel injector cleaning kit to your air compressor. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for setting up the kit, making sure to use the proper fittings and hose connections. Once the kit is set up, you'll want to attach the fuel injectors to the cleaning kit, again following the manufacturer's instructions. You'll then need to start the air compressor and begin the cleaning process. This typically involves spraying a cleaning solution through the injectors while they are pressurized with air. After the cleaning process is complete, you'll need to reattach the fuel injectors to the engine. Again, refer to your repair manual for specific instructions on how to do this. Once the injectors are installed, you'll want to start the engine and check for any leaks or problems. That's it. You've successfully cleaned your fuel injectors on an Alto. By following these steps, you can help maintain your vehicle's fuel efficiency and performance. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out.